Hello and welcome to our financial aid tutorial. We know how intimidating this whole financial aid process can be, but you've got husky grit. And now, this video. So let's get this done together, shall we? We're going to walk you through the steps on how to accept or decline your financial aid award through your MyNIU student system. Let's start there. Once you're at your MyNIU student system homepage, go ahead and click on the financial aid title. Make sure you're in the right academic year, located in the upper left corner. As part of this tutorial, we're going to travel back in time to the 2018-2019 academic year. Our financial aid award summary is listed here. Click on Accept Decline Awards. That'll initiate everything for you so you can make any edits to your financial aid package. So for example here, our scholarships already are accepted because we automatically accept scholarships and grants for you. We also have loans and work-study eligibility. Now we have some options. With these awards, you can accept, decline, or if you change your mind at some point, go back and reset. So let's say we go ahead and accept our subsidized loan. That gives us an option to reduce the amount. We're offered $5,500 for the year in a subsidized loan. Maybe we don't need $5,500 for the year. Maybe we only need, say, $3,000. Alright, so let's reduce the amount. Do you want to reduce the subsidized loan? Yes. So now that's been accepted. But wait, maybe I do need the whole $5,500. Let's go ahead and reset that. Do you want to reset this row? Why yes, I would. Now we have reset that back to the original offered amount. Now we will accept the full amount for the unsubsidized loan, and while we're at it, we'll go ahead and accept our federal work-study eligibility as well. As you can see, everything will move from offered to accepted. From here, we'll go ahead and submit. Do I want to submit this award decision? Yes, I do. Now we're notified here that our award has been submitted successfully and we're all done. That's it, we did it. Anything submitted will be reflected on your account in real time. It will move to pending aid, and that aid will be dispersed to your account after the add drop period each semester, or within 2 to 3 business days if the add drop period has already passed. For law students, financial aid is dispersed after the first week of classes. We hope this helps, but if you have any questions, please contact the Financial Aid and Scholarship Office.